So yeah, this is the new NS3327. It's now running in Northern number 3059. Unlike the GP38 number 2013, this is one of their Admiral cab SD40s that they're running in Northern recently purchased. And yeah, see, it's almost done too. I mean, they're working on the patch, the number patches there. The company logo and stuff. So this locomotive is really making some good progress. Can't wait to see it pulling trains sometime, kind of like what I did with the 2013. This is amazing. Yeah, I mean, I know you can't smell it, but yeah, I can smell the fresh paint on this bad boy. Yep, 3059. The new NS3327, running in Northern 3059. And there's yep, two of his passenger cars that he recently got. Now, right close to the steam shop there's let's get, yeah, see, there's 425's main tender, and the white one you see in the background there, that's actually paint primer for the tender of 2102. It's nice to see the tenders together. Except 2102's tender is still in paint primer.